Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. I am Shumela and today I am making masala chicken platter with Zafrani Pulao. Who doesn't like to have a good meal, especially on weekends? This is super easy, convenient, and my family enjoys this easy masala chicken platter. So guys, don't skip this video, watch till it ends. So let's see the process. Add 1 tablespoon Kashmiri red chili powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 1 tablespoon chaat masala, 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1 tablespoon roasted and crushed coriander seeds, 1 teaspoon salt, adjust as per your taste, 1 tablespoon ginger and garlic paste, 1 teaspoon green chili paste, 2 tablespoon lemon juice. Mix this nicely. And now I am using 5 large chicken pieces. Make 2 to 3 deep gashes, cuts on each side of the chicken pieces. Mix all the chicken marinade together. Keep this in fridge for an hour. Save this remaining masala, keep this aside. Now let's make Zafrani Pulao. In a bowl, add 2 pinches of saffron, goes in 2 tablespoons warm milk and set this aside. Heat 3 tablespoons ghee in a pan, add 5 to 6 almonds, some cashews and some raisins. Roast this till it becomes golden brown. Remove it and set aside. In a same pan, add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 inch cinnamon, 4 cardamoms. Fry this for few seconds. To this I am adding 1 sliced onion. Fry this till it becomes golden brown. Once done, save some fried onions for later use. And I am going to add 3 glasses of water. Mix it nicely. Goes in 2 green chilies, add 1 tablespoon salt, give this a nice mix and bring it to boil. Once it comes to boil, add 2 cups of soaked basmati rice. Mix this nicely, close the lid and cook for 5 minutes. At this stage, I am going to add saffron and milk, roasted dry fruits, some saved and fried onions. Mix this nicely. And now close the lid and slow cook for 10 minutes till rice is completely done. Once done, mix gently and set aside. And now I'm going to fry this marinated chicken pieces. Add 3 tablespoons oil in a pan. Now place the marinated chicken pieces. Fry this for 5 minutes on medium-high heat. At this stage, turn the chicken pieces and now fry this for 5 more minutes. And now you can see the chicken is completely cooked and I'm going to set this aside. In a same pan, add the saved remaining masala. Fry this for few seconds. Add some water. Mix it nicely. Now squeeze half lemon and cook this till oil separates. Once done, set this aside. So the process is done. Now let's assemble the platter. Place chicken pieces with Zafrani Pulao, with the masala and with some fried potatoes. This was my Friday meal and we enjoyed this easy chicken masala platter. If you made this easy chicken masala with Zafrani Pulao, don't forget to give a big thumbs up below. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give this a try and let me know how it turned out for you. Snap a pic and tag us on Instagram page shimis.kitchen and follow us for more short recipes and reels. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel. When you do, click that little bell icon. See you with more amazing recipes. Take care and have a nice day.